what are we going to do next? We're going to try reset. So git reset. First we'll do git log. Oops. Set. And let's reset down to 3, middle of the road. So just grab, you don't need the whole hash, you just need, I think it's at least the first 5 digits. So reset back to there. So what has happened? So commit 5 and commit 4 have now disappeared. And in here, 5 and 4 are not committed. They've just been changed back to actual staging files. So reset, like I guess water level dropping or something, destroys everything above it. So to undo this, it should be easy to just go git add to put them back into stage changes, and then git commit, which would of course, the downside is there is no record of commit 4 here anymore. Was there commit 5? Oh, I forget. And just now git revert, and just revert this one. For this, you get this really weird page, and you got to go :Q. Alternatively, you can just go up here, and you can just do it in here as well. So what did this do? So we reverted 31F, so commit 2. So you can see file 2 has disappeared. However, the commit record is still here. Oh, better just check that actually. The commit record for file 2 is still here. And but yeah, it looks like, yeah, so we go revert commit 2. So that's what commit does. But it kept the change above it, so it's not like the water level dropping. It's kind of like surgery or something. It's taking out specific, it's inverting the changes made in specific commits. Next is git stash and git pop. So run develop branch. If we go oops, so we've got a new file and we're on a different branch. I'll just go back to unstaged changes. So unstaged changes, if we go git stash, can't do it because we need to stage the change. Stage the change, git stash. So it looks like it's disappeared. but it's just in the background. So if we go back to develop branch, and git stash pop, get the file back in, and we're on develop. So that way, if we've actually accidentally been on the wrong branch and we need to commit in a different branch, then actually I've done this in reverse. I shouldn't be committing to the develop branch. I should have done this in a feature branch, but the functionality is still the same. So git commit should have been add feature for 3. So that's what git stash does. Pull and push. Actually, let's do this quickly. So git git pull. So you can just go git pull, and that'll get everything from your remote branch in GitHub and pull it down. But if you're working with other people, it's you probably should be cautious with this. But what I find is the easiest way to work is accept all changes from the remote branch that other people may have posted, and they will override changes on my branch, but I find it's a lot easier to resolve those on my branch rather than having to collaborate with other people and sort out a big mess. So once you get pulled, then you can git push. And that is pretty much it.